Really appreciate you all being here with us today. I've had the pleasure of working with Mastercard for many, many years, conducting outreach for to small businesses like we're doing today. You get up every day and you hire your friends and your neighbors. You make your payroll every month. So that's why we're here today. We're here to listen to you, get your feedback, and then do what we can at Mastercard to see if we can help make things better for you.
One of our biggest struggles, if not the biggest struggle of small business, is workforce, right? Which we've all talked about and we all know. It's not only hard right now to find workforce, but it's hard to find people that have the same care that you do and the same character.
Licking County is growing, great place to live, work. We've been very successful, got through COVID with almost no scratches, which was amazing.
We only have our hometown lenders that don't necessarily always lend to small businesses because of the risk. And so that's one of the newest challenges that we're seeing within the last 2 years in our region.
You know, starting out, I don't have a lot of rapport per se. You know, I've been cutting hair for 4 or 5 years, but I was just told by the bank, go get a credit card.
If I look to get a loan, I've got to think about, am I going to be able to repay this loan within a year? So the majority of my customers are using cards. I mean, electronic payment, because nobody seems to carry cash these days. You're using your Apple Pay, your phone, whatever. It's very convenient for customers, and I think that as a retail, you need to offer that because people aren't carrying cash.
Small business owner, I think one of the biggest struggles for me, thankfully, is not workforce, but the e-commerce is a challenge as well as social media. And I will also say, I think from what I see from several small business owners is that oftentimes we start our small business because of the art, but there's a whole science to retail too. So I don't have a background in analyzing all of the metrics and the finances.
And the challenge of figuring out how to have an online presence that works for the kind of businesses that we have. We are in and out of products so quickly. I'm not a techie, and so just even finding the right platform to use to get a integrated e-commerce system through my website was going to be $24,000.
The social media, I think, is a big one for us, trying to manage all of that. We are on Snapchat and Instagram and TikTok, but just trying to reach out to the college population in town. We do our own self-delivery, so we have a vehicle that our employees drive around town, but we have to use them because people want the convenience of it. It is what our college population uses.
Originally, when we first opened, we were about 60% credit card, 40% cash, and we're now between 92 and 95% credit card and very small amount cash. So it's changed a lot.
So I think the relationships of other small businesses working together, whether it's the same industry or a different industry, I think is very important. And I think the more of that we can do and foster, I think opens resources up for small business owners and really can help them along the way and help them grow. And so I think these kinds of forums are really important, and I'd love to see more of it because I think it's very beneficial for everybody involved.
On behalf of Mastercard, my colleagues here and our partners in GBC, thank you so much for being here. We appreciate your time. We appreciate your being so open to sharing your experience and your insights. And just wanted to say that, you know, we think that being able to look for solutions, bring value, help, and really, you know, be part of changing things starts with listening. And that's what we're doing. We're going to be doing 8 more of these type of sessions. Thank you so much for opening the doors of your beautiful state and your beautiful towns for us.
Thanks.